Yo, 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 yo. What it do? Had a great week in the market last week. You know what I mean? Get our Saturday going. I didn't go to sleep till like 3 in the morning, but that don't mean to stop. Stay disciplined, stay on your schedule. We about to get it in. Let's go. I see it. Let's get it. Finish the week strong. Start off the next week stronger.
Okay, I'm gassed up. Why these niggas think they passed us? Bitches ain't the FBI, I'm just fed up. Even if these niggas had bleach, they couldn't fade us. I ain't popping out nowhere if they ain't paying up. I ain't in school, I ain't worried about no report card. Every year I'm going stupid like a retard. Niggas acting like bitches the longest yard. 3 wires, man, Bethlehem, you looking next door. I'm just popping hot shit while they mad at me. Why they shit sounding like your shit, nigga, don't ask me. Bitch, I got it out the mud, I ain't never hated. The ones you helping, nobody's be the main ones hating.
Go at your own pace. Own pace. Second flight. Second flight. One more time. One more time. Your own pace. Your own pace. Don't worry about nobody else behind you or in front of you. Your own pace. And you will get to the top of where you're going.
You guys shut the fuck up and do it. Stay home.
Great fucking morning. Great fucking morning. 2 flights, a run all the way around that bitch. That's how you start off your week. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. What it do, YouTube? We back. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. So I know I'm taking a break from YouTube, but I ain't taking a break from trading. We'll get into, some of my thoughts on trading. And then I'll explain the reason why I've taken a break from YouTube. Y'all know I don't really post a lot of videos like that, so I've never been really a big YouTuber. But every now and then, I throw a little something out there, It's pretty much journaling my transit, my journey. So I probably should record a little bit more, but yeah, We'll get there. If it get there, get there. You know what I mean? But right now we got focus on focus. So that's what I'm focused on. Know what I mean? But as far as the market been really good, man. The market's been really good in the sense of if you in the trend, you gonna win. Technically, the market was really shitty last week. We had a lot of down days, but I'm selling. So, based on what you're doing, depends on how the market gonna be for you. Now, in my pair, I'm selling. Overall, in the market, as far as the Forex market, the dollar USD has been strong, very bullish. So, because I'm trading NZD USD, I've been selling NZD. We'll go ahead and get into that right now, and I'll show you my thought process, and what I've been doing and what I think might happen next week. Now, this is not financial advice. This is just my fucking opinion. That's it. That's all. If I'm right, I'm right. If I'm wrong, I am wrong. That is fucking trading. So, but let's go ahead and get into this bitch right now, y'all. Let's get into this bitch. First, let me spark this bitch real quick. All right, let's get into this bitch. So as we can see right here, we had this 1 hour sell 2 candle pattern right here, right? At this resistance. It was support, and then it broke through and created the resistance, right? So now we had to push, we had to pull back, we had to retest, as you can see, shown strength of resistance because we could not break above by tapping that shit by 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the midst of us tapping it, the third time we created another 1 hour sell 2 CP right here. On top of that, right, as you can see, came back, we pushed away, and then we came back and retested it one more time, giving us depletion here with these candles, these low bodies, these wicks. We had an initiation here, which was market open, so that shit don't count. But as we see here, we have another 1 hour sell 2 candle pattern here, and then I'll go ahead and officially highlight this for you so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. This 2 candle pattern here, boom, boom, boom. So those 2 candles there, candle 1, candle 2, that bull bear candle, boom. And then after that, we got some more wicks, got this bullish close, right? Another, zoom in for you, 1 hour sell 2 candle pattern right here, beautiful. And then we went and got in, took the trade, and we've been pretty much, selling ever since. We got another 1 hour sell 2 candle here below this breaker structure here, right? At this 1 hour sell 2 candle pattern here. And then boom, just hop back up in that motherfucker at 58, and then just kept selling. We pushed down off of the interest rate decision, came back, retested once again, wicks, depletion, bear candle close, come back, retest the breaker structure, and then we got in and we've been pretty much selling ever since. So that's been what I've been taking advantage of right now as far as within the market within the last week or two. Now, as far as what I think is going to happen next week, right? What I think is going to happen next week. So I'm going to go ahead and just zoom in a little bit right here, right? So we had, like I said, we had this retest here, this sub level. Now, mind you, all of my levels are subjective. Every level in Forex and every level that anybody puts in the market is completely subjective. It does not mean shit. It can break through my level. It can disrespect this level. It does not mean anything. It just, all it shows is that I see where we've had buyers and sellers come to this point, reject off this point. That's literally it. So we have this sub level here, right? And as you can see, we had some rejection. We had some put buyers come in, some more buyers come in. And then we pretty much had like this small little range here, right? So we had this small little range here, right here. We had the small little range here. And then if I go down to the 30-minute time frame, you can see exactly what I'm talking about. All right, you can see how we have like a lot of candles within this zone here, right? So we had that there. But listen, on the 1 hour time frame, we had a ugly ass 1 hour sell 2 candle pattern. It's ugly as fuck, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. This bitch is ugly, but it's right here, right? Boom, right there. So these 2 candles, once again, let's go ahead and highlight this here, right here. Ugly ass sell 2 candle pattern right there. And the reason why it's ugly is, as we can see, we have a long wick to the downside. Now the body does still close below the first candle's body, so it's still showing me that there's some momentum in the market, and we have a nice size body, but we also have a nice size wick as well, followed by another wick. So that's why I said it's just a nasty ass 1 hour sell 2 candle pattern. Now if I drop it down to the 30-minute, which I don't go no lower than the 30-minute when it comes to my trading. I don't go no lower than the 30-minute. Some people do, and that's their thing. This is what I do. This is my thing, right? So as we can see, in that 1 hour sell 2 candle pattern, we have a 30-minute sell 2 candle pattern here. Push away. We came back. We're retesting. We have another 30-minute sell 2 candle pattern here. So now, what I believe could happen is, I'm gonna go ahead and type it out right here, Let's go ahead and go here. Now, trade idea. So as you can see, I already have templates because my system is literally copy, rinse, repeat. So pretty much all of my analysis is exactly the same. It's what I'm looking for. You know what I mean? Like nothing changes. I only have one strategy. Some people may say that I might need more than one strategy, but as I said, when it comes to this, everybody does their thing. This is my thing. So this is how I rinse and repeat, copy paste. Gotta wait for 2 weeks and bear close. Now I would be looking to get in at my psych level, which in this case would be 57.50, and then my 8 pip stop loss. Always an 8 pip stop loss when it comes to Forex. So that'd be 58, and then I'll be looking for my Kobe 24 pips. So that would be 26, and then I will be going to my runner would be to 56.76. Yeah. So we'll go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and go back to the 1 hour. We'll go ahead and go there. As I said, pretty much everything is just rinse and repeat. Like I said, repeat for me to fill. So everything I have is literally templates. I'm either selling to fill a gap / imbalance, or I'm buying to fill gap / imbalance. So literally everything is just copy, rinse, repeat for me. And I feel like that's what trading is. You know, that's what we hear all the time. And if you're pretty much not doing that at that point in time, they say you're gambling. I feel like it is true. I started off doing that, and I definitely feel like I was gambling. In hindsight now, when I'm looking back at it, I realize that it definitely was gambling. And now that I have a strategy, I just have to have the discipline to stick to the strategy, you know, and that consistency will provide me profitability. So what I'm thinking is going to happen next week, I'm thinking that we might have a pullback here, right? A pullback here. Let me do this, right? So now we do have liquidity here, right? This is everybody's stop losses, right? Everybody's stop losses for this initiation of this sale, right? This the start of this sale. So let's go ahead and change that to liquidity. Once again, man, just rinse, repeat, same ideas, same thing. So I'm thinking what could happen now. Once again, this is just my idea. This may not even happen. But this is my idea, this is my thought, and this is what I'll be waiting for to take advantage of if it occurs. So what I'm going to be looking for is price basically to come back and retest the 1 hour sell 2 CP, the 30-minute sell 2 CP, and retest this new level of resistance, right? As we can see, this new level of resistance, come back, snatch that liquidity, give me a bobby of that, come back, retest, and then basically keep selling. Now keep selling down into my mid-level, because within the mid-level, below the mid-level, we have imbalance here, and this will be the imbalance that I'll be looking for price to basically come and fill. Now I'm looking to get out before then, so that's why I'm here and just gonna get out of the mid-level here. Now the mid-level is the mid-level between my resistance and my support. So if I shrink it down just a little bit more, you guys will see that I have my support down there. So yeah. And I'll mark everything up on the 4 hour and the 1 hour, as you guys know, if you guys see my previous videos. But yeah, So this is basically what I am looking for. Let me go ahead and put my templates here. Once again, as I said, told you, man. So put the Kobe here, rinse and repeat. 8 pip stop loss, 24 pip profit for our first position. And then our runner will go ahead and go to, will be 56, 56, and that would be a total of 9 R. So that'd be a Shaq and Kobe. You know what I mean? Three of them things back to back to back. So we'll be looking to go for our first position will be a Kobe, of course, always a Kobe. And then since this will be 9R, we'll be looking to go for 3P. You know what I mean? Shaq and Kobe. So we'll look to see exactly what all transpires. We'll look to see what all transpires over the next week or two. But this is pretty much my idea of what could possibly happen. Once again, this is just my idea, my analysis, my speculative opinion. Like, you know what I mean? This is my speculation. Like, this is how I'm looking at the market. Doesn't mean that this is how you should look at the market. You know what I mean? That's not at all what I'm saying. But, you know, I always have a good time with y'all, you know. So, but I'll go ahead and show y'all the reason why I've been, you know, a little MIA. And I'll try to continue to upload more videos. No guarantee as far as increasing the time frame, but I'll try my best. I'm not a big like camera person, you know what I mean? Like I said, I'm just doing this to journal my progress and my journey through my trading and just trying to become a better me. So always appreciate y'all rocking with me. Hit the dislike button. Don't subscribe. Y'all already know how we do it, man. Have a great one. Continue to be great. Let's do it.
I trust God, I've been through worse. I used to catch the bus. Now every car I drive is plush. Niggas wanted me to win until I really did. I'm up. I bought a watch and what I spent, I could have bought a house and truck. I took a model chick to B&R Burger to get lunch. They know my name in the bank, we ain't the same. I'm one-on-one. Big watches, big rings, whip shopping, backwoods, big coin, big options. Oh, murder, the code we all follow. You ain't adding value, we might take a vote out you. They'll show up to your funeral and hug your mom. Kiss your bitch on the cheek and tell her hold it down. The killer was a pallbearer, niggas living foul. And you call that nigga you broke, think you can trust him now? It's a cold game and I don't trust it, so I keep a pole. I see Mikey mama cry, it fucked me up, that hurt my soul. We had dreams of copping quads and Willie and down the fourth. Now I'm on the op street and we just trying to up the score. We want war. You can slide a grip of times or bring your dog back. You can fuck a million hoes or bring that one back. Catch a fade, win or lose, I want my run back. They tried to kill me, assassinate me. It didn't work, don't wanna see me shining. They rather put me on a shirt, adapt to any climate. I trust God, I've been through worse, I used to catch the bus. Now every car I drive is